Hey friends, it's Vicky. Welcome back. I have a quick and easy little Disney DIYs video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make the cutest, easiest, and cheapest Christmas holiday Disney ears. Specifically, these babies. They are donut Christmas Minnie ears, Mickey ears, Disney ears, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these with dollar store supplies, and they cost me less than $5 to make. I'm not kidding you guys, they are so easy to make. I almost feel like you don't need a tutorial for this, but more than anything, I just want to share the idea with you guys because I love Disney ears and I want to make all the Disney ears, and I've been wanting donut ones forever. Enough of my rambling, and let me show you how I made these. To make these, I used 2 donut ornaments. That's right, I used donut ornaments from the 99-cent store. I did not make these, as well as some decorative Christmas bows, ribbon. I used some white sparkly ribbon, a headband, a pair of scissors, and some hot glue. And basically, you are going to assemble everything together, starting with the headband. I first took that and wrapped my ribbon around it. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I just think it makes it look prettier. It adds a little extra flair to it. So I started by dabbing some glue at the end of my headband and then just started wrapping my white glittery ribbon all around. And I dabbed some glue in between just to make sure it was really secure and would stay in place. And then after that was done, I cut it off and moved on to gluing on my donuts. So for the donuts, because they are Christmas ornaments, I first had to remove the top little hanger part that helps hang them onto your tree. So I just did that by pulling them off with a pair of scissors. Came off really easily. And after that, I just had the donuts left. I really like these because they look so real. They're well made. And again, they look Christmassy with the colors. Next, I took my decorative bow. These are the types of bows that you can find at the 99-cent store to hang around your house. But I'm repurposing it. I'm just cutting off the ends of the bow in order to use it as a bow for my Disney ears. You can make a bow. I've done many bows for my other ears on here. So if you want to see how I make a bow by hand, you can check those tutorials out. But for this one, we just wanted to make it as easy as possible. Next, I measured and marked with a pen where I wanted to glue on my ears. And I did this off camera. Next, I took my hot glue and I glued them on. Measuring the placement of your ears is really important because it makes a whole world of a difference on how your ears look. Sometimes homemade ears don't look as good because they look a little floppy, lopsided. It just looks weird if they're too to the side. So really go in and measure and make sure you're putting them in the right place. And yeah, after I add the glue, I just hold the donut in place for as long as possible until I feel that it's dry enough, because if not, it could peel off. So because these ears are foam, I did find that there was a little bit of melting of the foam with the hot glue. So I try to add the glue to where the frosting was, because that material did not react to the hot glue. So just a little note, you can also use E6000 glue, which is really great, except that's gonna take longer to dry. And then I just finally glued on my bow. And I was done! Super duper in love with these ears. I finally have my donut Disney ears, and they are Christmas themed, but I also bought some regular looking donuts, well, not holiday donuts, from Daiso. They're actually magnets, cha-ching, so you can just get creative. It's a matter of getting creative with the supplies that you find at the dollar store. And I actually plan on making these with a white bow. So because the back is white, it kind of yellowed a little bit, but I just went over that with a little acrylic paint that I had. So overall, minus the hot glue that I already had, I spent around $4 to make these, probably less if you consider that I got 2 bows and like a pack of headbands that were left over. Super easy peasy, and I am ready to go celebrate the holidays at Disneyland. Yay! And that's it. They are so adorable. It's just really just assembling everything together. You don't really have to make it hard. I mean, you could go out of your way and make this bow if you wanted to by hand, but if they already sell them pre-made and you can put them together in like less than 10 minutes, why not? More than anything, I just wanted to share the idea with you guys and my process on what I buy and how I put them together. I love these so much. I can't tell you guys, I've been having this idea forever, and I've been wanting donut Disney ears for the longest. It's been a while since I've done a Disney ears and Disney DIYs video on here, so I am so happy. And like I said, you can make these also like year round. I also bought donuts that don't look Christmassy, that just look like regular chocolate and sprinkled donuts. So I'm gonna be making those too, but same process. Great if you are on a budget as well and you wanna make some like for your entire family or your friends, etc. As always, my friends, sending you a super duper big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye! I want for Christmas is donut Disney Christmas ears. Yeah! You want to see what they look like on you? He has kissy smooches all over his face. Oh, 13 out of 10. The cutest Disney dog.
No.
Oh, honey. All right, you wanna go now? You wanna go now? Okay, you can go now. Bye.